Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we make a Scratch tutorial. It will be a clickable game. I want to call it like this. So this clickable game is it's gonna be like this interface, but you pick whatever you want for the background, and we can see here we have one character here. This one is just for another one. The characters, we don't use them. And when we click on the green flag, this coin will a bit show up one place, wait for 1 second and disappear, and appear on X and Y a bit randomly. So this is what we do, and we try to click on it. Once we click on it, we have points here, so we can have it like this, and we can also put a timer, but that's something you can do for fun. All right, let's try to pick it up and see how it goes. See here, let me click on it. I have 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. There you go. There you go here. 4 points. All right. There you go. And it goes like this. That's how it goes, guys. Alright, let's get started. I show you how to make the game from scratch, so you know how to go there. So you go to Google, you type Scratch MIT, and you click on Start Creating, and you should have an interface like this one. Alright, we can get rid of the cat. We don't need the cat. You can use it if you want, but I prefer to use another character. What I'm going to pick. Let me see. Yeah. Example. I can get the frog. Let me get the frog. I can get the frog. No problem with that. So it takes some time to load, but you shouldn't have this problem, I think. And let me click here. You can choose whatever background you want. Okay, blue sky, nature, we had a plain field. Since we're having some issues to load our character. Let me get the baseball field. We're having some issues to load our character. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. First time I see that. And we have the same thing with the backdrop too. Alright guys, let's get started. So to make the game, I mentioned to you a character. So I think I go, we had what's the name of the character? Godot. But I think I want to go with the frog. So we go with a frog. Let's also pick a background, a backdrop, call it however you want. I want to take the baseball field. It's not related, or maybe it's not the. Yeah, I think I get that. I want to put it here, so when I start the game. So for that, we go to events. We get this one. When we click on the green flag, and we need to go at this place. We can see the coordinates here, and I go to motion, and I go to X, Y. So you just need to put that there. Alright guys, not too bad. Alright guys, so now I need to hide the coin. The coin needs to appear somewhere, here randomly, and the coin is not there, so I kind of download it from the internet, so I can put it in the link for you if you want to use it, but it's not there if you're looking for it. Maybe I just go with the frog, apple. Maybe I go with an apple. Alright, apple will show up everywhere here. Alright, so you can see the coordinates is moving, so we can do just that. Now we can get the same thing again when we click on the green flag. Alright, we go here, and we need to check all the time. We need to have the apple to appear, disappear, appear, disappear. and this is what we need to do. We need a forever loop for that, and we need to hide it for 1 second, and we need to hide it for show it for 1 second. We see what we do. We go to here with show high, show. We wait 1 second, and we hide. There we go. Or maybe the reverse. Maybe the reverse. There you go. Put it just right here. Alright, let me click on the green flag. See up. It goes pretty fast. What is that going on? So it hides for 1 second, it shows, and it goes back here. Okay. Yeah, we're missing another 1 second, I think. Let's go there and do that. Wait 1 second. That's the one. And it should be good now. Let's see how it goes. 1 second, it shows up, you know, up. Alright then. We'll be good. Okay, I can stop it. But I need it to appear randomly between here and here, and between here and here. You know, not on the frog. You can have it on the frog too, but that's not really the purpose of it. For that, we need to click on go to, hide. We're gonna hide, wait 1 second, and after that, we click on go to, and we show. Alright, go to. Yep, go to. Here you go to. And we need to appear randomly. So where is the apple? Oh, it's not showing up, huh? Alright. Here on X, on Y is 146. And when it's here, it's minus 67. It's on Y. Alright, we go here. On X is minus 97. Here it will be like 218. I have to put 220, something like that. Alright. Let me do it. And you see, guys, it's showing up at the same place all the time. Okay, that's one thing. Let me stop it. So we need to pick random. This is it. So we need to put random for the. So we say for X is gonna be between 220 and between 220 and minus 97. Alright, let's do the job. Alright. So it's moving up everywhere on X. They stay at the same one on Y. See, appearing here. That's gonna be next. Here. That's not random anymore. What's going on here? Alright, guys. So now we need to do the same thing for Y. For Y we said, I should have put 97, minus 97 here. Minus 97, that's why it was so weird. Minus 67, I'm sorry. For X, no, minus 97, yeah, that's good. On 220. Minus 97. 220. There we go. Let's give it a good try. Should be better now. So appear here. Oh, here. Here we go. Here. Alright. So I can maybe put it to go a bit faster. So it's gonna be a bit more challenging for the game. Alright. Height 4.7. Yeah, we can do for the same for it to appear to 0.7. Alright. Let's see how fast it goes. Yeah, it's a bit challenging, but I think for Y it goes a bit too high for Y. Maybe put 2 to 10. And let's try it this time. Alright. Alright. Still going too high. It still go too high. Did I forget to change something? Let me put 200. Oh, I should have put 4x. I should have, 146. My bad. Oh, I made a bunch of mistakes. 146. Minus 67. Yeah, it should be good by now. There you go. There you go. Alright guys, that's done. Okay, now I wanna add a condition. If I touch them, let me put that 1 second so we don't need to watch that much to touch it. Let me put 1.3 seconds. 1.3 seconds. So we don't need to watch that much. So I need to put a condition, a if condition. If I touch the apple, oh no, if I touch the mouse, the mouse clicking on it, if touching the mouse pointer, we need to add some points to it. All right, if touching a mouse pointer, oh, there you go. See, head, frog, whatever works better. All right. If touching mouse pointer, I need to increase the points. But for the points, you need to go to variables, and we need to create a variable points. All right. So we know the deal. You know, we need to start the points at 0. So he knows. Start the points at 0. There you go. And now we need to change my variable by 1 point. There you go. So you can put it on points. Let's give it a try now. Alright. Go on. 2. I don't click on it. I don't click on it. Now I click on it. There we go. There we go. I stop it. Alright guys, so I think that's the end for this tutorial. I hope you appreciated it. If you do, please give it a like. Please leave some comments if you have any questions. Share it with someone you think will enjoy it. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you for another tutorial. Alright, thank you, bye bye.